For this project, I chose the My Restaurant project from the PBL Video Experience. In this project, students learn how to find their own mentor text. They use math, science, reading, and public speaking, and it is a middle school level project. And the standard is students use technology to solve a complex issue, problem, or challenge. In this project, students are asked to create their own restaurant menus. So they're given a budget and they calculate their own products. They also have to find nutrition facts of the products that they choose to put on the menu. From then, they present their findings and they create a presentation, which they will then present to the class, and they'll go over all the details that they put into the project in order to create the menu. In the video that I watched, the students are working independently. They create their own menus and then they're going to present them separately. And then throughout the video, the teacher is going around interviewing the students on what they learned, and she's also receiving feedback and how they are able to apply what they learned to the real world. You don't really get to see much about how the classroom is set up in this video, but they do set up the classroom in order to allow the students to present their projects independently. From the video that I watched, I do believe that the students are meeting the guiding questions as well as learning new things. The students were able to explain the importance of this project and all that goes into it. They were able to connect this project to the real world and explain how it is helpful. This project is different than a traditional lesson because it gives the students the creative freedom to make their own menu while also following guidelines. I think this lesson is very effective. It engages students in numerous content areas such as reading and writing, math, science, as well as public speaking. If I were to put this into my own classroom, I would have to change a few things. For one, I do feel like it was kind of unorganized. I would set up research stations to help them find the different aspects of this project. Since this project does contain different content areas, it can get a little confusing. And it can be overwhelming. That way these research areas help them find all the answers they need and how to solve any problems they come across. And it is important to focus on how technology can help create, solve, and challenge the students.